Good morning, children. Welcome to the Explore the School activity. We are standing at the gate of your school. You can see the school hoarding, Ambe Public School, and we are proud that we feel proud to welcome you to the school. Now, today we are going to take a tour of the school. Since you are all at home, you are unable to take a real tour of the school. So, we are giving you a virtual tour of the school. So, let's begin. Let's go inside the school premises. Yes, now we are at the second entry of the school. You can again see the school hoarding here, Ambe Public School. And you are seeing the glass doors is the entrance to your school, and we will enter the reception area. What is the reception area? Reception area is where you get all the information related to the school, your admissions, and your teachers. Okay, so let's enter the school premises. Yes, exactly. You can see the reception desk. This is your reception desk where you can see a madam sitting. She is Nirali ma'am. She is our receptionist. She helps you with all the queries that you have regarding the school, right? We have made a small area here to avoid people going near to her, to stay safe in the pandemic situation. Now you can see the office besides her. This is our office of section in charge, our coordinator Virida ma'am. This is her cabin that you see here. And on the other side of the reception area, we have our DTP office as well as our accounts office. We are now moving towards the classes. This area that you see here are the classes, and this is the common area in between. And we have classes all around. We have two floors: the ground floor for all the classes, as well as the first floor. Right. This is the entire CBSE section. Okay, as you see from the other end, we have classes starting from nursery, senior, junior KG, senior KG, first. Then again we have the reception area, and after the reception area and coordinator ma'am's office, we have classes of second, third, fourth, and that's it till fourth. And on the first floor we have classes from standard 5 to 12. Yes, now we are heading to the first floor. As we begin taking a small tour of the first floor, the first office that you will notice there is principal ma'am's office. So let's move to first floor. Okay, from the principal ma'am's office, the next adjoining room is our science and math lab. We'll take a brief at the room. Yes, this is our maths as well as science lab. You can see the cupboards, they are well equipped with the instruments used for maths. The next room after the lab is our library, a very important place for books. Reading is the best habit you can inculcate in yourself. We are entering the library. You can see the library madam sitting there. She is Isha madam. She is your library teacher. She helps you to find books, as there are thousands of books lying here. She's a big help to choose a book for your level, for your standard, and for your liking. The first room that you saw was for teachers. Teachers can come and refer to books here. And the second room that you're watching right now here, this space is for sitting for children. Children come into the library in the library period and read books as per their standard. We are now heading towards the classes. From here we start with the higher standards and then we take a round tour and we are going towards the computer lab. You can see on the entire way we have classes, and in the end of this section the other side is the computer lab. So after taking a small look at the classes from outside, we will go to the computer lab. Yes, we are showing you one class. You can just take a look at the inner structure of the class. This is 10th A class. So when we are ready for you, we are waiting for you to join the school at the earliest. The podium, teachers table, your whiteboard, that is the podium, white podium from where the smart class is handled. The smart class works from there. You can see students work. Yes, we are now heading towards the computer lab. You can see the computer lab. Inside the computer lab. Yes, this is a well-equipped computer lab for you. It is fully on a network. All your work, your files, everything is saved here. Number of computers. Yes, you can see your computer teacher Kirti sir working on computer. He is always on his toes, planning something or new for you. So this is your computer lab. He helps you with the computers. He teaches you computer as well as he helps you for any kind of problem you face while learning the computer. And this is where he shows you some terms related to computers. From the computer lab, you can see the steps. This is the second steps. You can get down from this steps. So this was an entire tour to your school. You have We have made you explore your school, making a small video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.